Unlocking the Forex market, trading without large deposits. When it comes to trading on Forex without investments, it's important to understand that trading always involves some level of risk. While it is possible to start trading without a deposit, there are a few key considerations to keep in mind. 1. No deposit bonuses. Some Forex brokers offer promotional bonuses that allow you to start trading without making an initial deposit. These bonuses are typically small and come with certain conditions, such as minimum trading volume requirements or limited withdrawal options. It's important to carefully read the terms and conditions associated with these bonuses before proceeding. 2. Demo accounts. Most Forex brokers provide demo accounts, which are simulated trading platforms that allow you to practice trading without using real money. Demo accounts offer a risk-free environment to learn about the market, test trading strategies, and gain experience. However, keep in mind that trading with virtual funds may not accurately reflect the emotional aspects of trading with real money. 3. Micro accounts. Another option for beginners is to open a micro account with a small initial deposit. Micro accounts allow you to trade with smaller position sizes and lower leverage, reducing the risk exposure. While this approach requires a small investment, it can still be considered a relatively low-cost way to start trading on Forex. 4. Education and strategy development. Regardless of whether you have an initial deposit or not, it's crucial to invest time and effort into learning about Forex trading. Educate yourself on various trading strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis methods. Developing a solid trading plan and sticking to it can greatly improve your chances of success in the long run. It's worth noting that while it's possible to start trading without a deposit, having a reasonable amount of capital can provide more flexibility and allow you to take advantage of various trading opportunities. Therefore, it's recommended to consider saving and allocating some funds specifically for trading purposes. Remember, trading on Forex involves risks, and it's essential to approach it with a realistic mindset, proper education, and a disciplined approach to managing your trades. Trading without investments on a demo account. First and foremost, it should be noted that the only way to trade Forex without investments is to trade on a demo account. A demo account is a trading account where you can trade with virtual funds, free of charge and without making an initial deposit. This type of account allows beginners to learn how to trade, familiarize themselves with the trading platform, use technical analysis indicators, develop and test trading and investment strategies, apply any acquired knowledge in the market. A demo account can be useful not only for beginners but also for more experienced traders. In this case, it can be used to test trading on new markets, new instruments, refine trading strategies, or practice and improve skills with new trading methods. If you are also interested in working on Forex without investments, Admirals offers a free demo account. The trading demo account is perfect for beginner traders or investors as it allows for practice in real market conditions using virtual funds. Trading on Forex without investments. Start trading with €1. Online brokers offer various types of trading accounts with different conditions and minimum deposit requirements. Let's explore a scenario where you can trade on Forex without making an initial deposit by opening an Invest.mt5 account with Admirals. 1. Choose a reputable broker. Start by selecting a reliable online broker that offers the Invest.mt5 account option, such as Admirals. 2. Register and verify your account. Complete the registration process on the broker's website and provide the necessary information. Follow the verification process by submitting the required identification documents. 3. Open an Invest.mt5 account. Once your account is verified, open an Invest.mt5 account. This account type allows you to invest in various financial instruments, including stocks, indices, commodities, and more. 4. Deposit a minimum amount. While the aim is to trade without a significant investment, a minimum deposit is typically required. In the case of the Invest.mt5 account with Admirals, the minimum deposit is only €1. 5. Understand the trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the trading platform provided by the broker. The MetaTrader 5 platform is commonly used and offers a wide range of features and tools for market analysis and trading execution. 6. Learn and develop a trading strategy. Take the time to educate yourself about different trading strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis methods. Develop a trading plan that suits your trading style and risk tolerance. 7. Practice on a demo account. Before risking real money, utilize the demo account provided by the broker. It allows you to trade with virtual funds and test your trading strategies in a simulated market environment. 8. Start trading with real money. Once you feel comfortable and confident with your trading skills, you can begin trading with the real funds deposited in your Invest NT5 account. Start with small position sizes and gradually increase your trades as you gain experience. 9. Monitor and analyze the markets. Stay updated with market news, economic events, and technical indicators. Conduct thorough market analysis to make informed trading decisions. 10. Manage your risks. Implement proper risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders and maintaining a diversified portfolio. Avoid risking a significant portion of your capital on a single trade. 11. Continuously learn and adapt. Forex trading is a continuous learning process. Stay open to learning new strategies, adapting to market conditions, and reviewing your trading performance. Constantly evaluate and refine your trading approach. Remember, even though you can start trading with a minimal deposit, it's important to approach Forex trading with discipline, knowledge, and a realistic understanding of the risks involved. In conclusion, while it is possible to start trading on Forex with minimal investments or even without a deposit through demo accounts, it is important to approach this endeavor with caution and realistic expectations. Forex trading is a complex and dynamic market that requires knowledge, skills, and continuous learning. By utilizing demo accounts and taking advantage of brokers that offer low minimum deposits, beginners can gain valuable experience, test trading strategies, and develop their skills. However, it is crucial to recognize the limitations of demo accounts and understand that trading with real money involves different psychological and emotional aspects. To increase the chances of success, traders should invest time and effort into educating themselves about market analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. They should also be prepared for potential losses and develop a disciplined approach to managing their trades. Ultimately, Forex trading without significant investments can serve as a starting point for aspiring traders, but it is a journey that requires continuous learning, adaptability, and the willingness to grow as a trader. With dedication, practice, and a realistic mindset, individuals can increase their chances of achieving their trading goals on the Forex market.